Welcome to the SpotGamma Scanners Page. We built this Scanners page to help you identify new trading ideas based on our proprietary models. We're going to review how to use the scanners and then highlight specific features of both our unique Volatility Risk Premium Scanner and our Squeeze Scanner. First, let's walk through the functions included on the Scanners page. At the top left of your screen, users can choose one of 4 ways to find new trade ideas. The first tool is the Volatility Risk Premium Scanner, which highlights names with unusually high options premium. The second is the Squeeze Scanner, which flags stocks with the highest potential for an upside move. Third, you can select My Watch Lists to see your favorite stocks based on the list of specific stocks you pre-select within Equity Hub. Lastly, if you're interested in viewing any of our legacy scanners, each of these is available in the Other dropdown. Next, just below the scanner description, you can filter your results for each of the above selections shown in the scanners page based on any of the listed columns. To do this, you select a column, then set your personalized criteria to create a focused list of stocks in the table that best fit your interests. Additionally, you can apply multiple filters at the same time. For example, you can limit the view to only show stocks with call volume and put volume, each above a certain threshold. After choosing how you want to filter the list of stocks you see in the table, you can also tailor the column section to your favorite preferences to show or hide any column. Additionally, within the table, there are a lot of features, including general ticker information, SpotGamma's proprietary key daily levels, and many other directional indicators. Now, let's turn our attention to the first scanner, Volatility Risk Premium, or VRP. You can use this scanner to highlight stocks with unusually high relative volatility premium. These stocks won't necessarily drop that day, but our statistics show that stocks flagged by our VRP scanner experience an average drop of 30% in realized volatility over the following 10 days. We suggest pairing this information with your own trading strategies that benefit when volatility is expected to decrease. In these situations, we consider strategies such as a credit spread or a calendar spread. Then let's take a look at our proprietary Squeeze Scanner. The Squeeze Scanner leverages a proprietary mix of options and equity metrics to highlight stocks that could see significant upward price action. The top quartile of stocks flagged by the Squeeze Scanner experience nearly 30% higher returns over the next 5 days compared to those not included in the Squeeze Scanner list of names. As a confirmation step before putting on a position, we suggest first checking the names on this list within the Equity Hub Live Prices and SpotGamma Levels tab to verify they've not yet made a move higher. It's also important to look to see if a call wall is near, as it may limit upward momentum. One recommended way to play these moves is to consider simply buying calls or call spreads when names show up on the scanner and meet your trading criteria. To close, we hope you found this guide helpful as you explore our scanners and different ways to apply them to your trading. We will continue to add more scanners and features over time and love to hear your questions or feedback via info@spotgamma.com or by sharing in our members-only Discord. Thank you for watching this video and being a part of our community.